Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to contact Fiverr customer support. The first thing you'll want to do is go to fiverr.com and make sure you are signed into your account. Once you're signed in, you'll be taken to the Fiverr homepage. To contact customer support, scroll down to the bottom of the page where you'll see the section labeled Help and Support. This will take you to a page where you'll find various categories to choose from. On this page, you'll have several options depending on the type of help you need. If you want to contact support directly, scroll down again and you'll see an option labeled Contact Us. Click on that. From there, you'll need to choose a category that best matches your issue. For example, you can select Selling on Fiverr and then choose something more specific like payments and withdrawals. Just make sure to pick the category that most accurately describes your situation. Let's say the problem is with withdrawals. Select that and then choose something like Withdraw Your Earnings. At this point, Fiverr will present you with a guide that might help you resolve the issue. If the guide doesn't solve your problem, there will be an option to contact customer support directly. Click on that. Here, you'll need to enter a subject line and describe your issue in detail. Once your request is submitted, Fiverr's customer support team will get back to you via email. From there, you'll be able to receive assistance and hopefully a solution to your issue. That's it. Thanks for watching.